Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rearrange your Instagram carousel. So I have uploaded these 4 pictures, and for instance I want this one to be like the first picture to show up, or like this one to be like the thumbnail of it. As you can see, the current thumbnail is this one. So press the 3 dots, press edit, and delete the pictures before the thumbnail that you want to select. I'm just going to choose this one as the thumbnail, so I'm just going to delete these 2 pictures at the beginning. Press done, go back, select the 3 lines, and go to your activity, and then select recently deleted. Select this photo, so this one's going to go like on the 3rd one. Select on the 3 dots and press restore, and press restore again. And then you're also going to choose this one and then press the 3 dots, restore, and restore again. And if you view on profile, as you can see, the thumbnail has changed to this one, and it's going to be in this order from now. That's basically how you can rearrange your Instagram carousel. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!